Hello, this is AJ from Aluminum Palace Power Wash Services. We're out here at Chevron gas station and doing a pad deep cleaning with the vacuum recovery surface cleaner. If you are in need to get your gas station pad and canopy cleaning the proper way with wash water recovery and also the building wash we just did this parking spaces, also storefront, and also all these other parking spaces with trash enclosure, also the entire building as well. As you can see, canopy looks really nice. Looks nice and dark with the CO2, pollen and dirt, etc. As you can see how the pad looks, or this side is looking, or this one, extremely dirty. That's a slip and fall hazard and also fire hazard as well, because this is not a diesel, this is gasoline. So this is all pretty much gasoline. People probably overfilling, or a lot of other times you just have a lot of drifts of gasoline, so it just accumulate right here. All it's gonna take is some idiot will just throw a cigarette butt and it can ignite. So as you can see, the difference between clean and dirty, like day and night difference. Give us a call, 408-693-5140, or you guys can go on the website www.ippws.com, or you guys can email to do inquiry info@ippws.com. As you can see how dark all the oil. So we have an oil water separator right there. All the filters. You can see right here.